Greetings, friend adventurers. Welcome to another exhilarating episode of Iran Walking Tour. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey through the bustling streets of Iran, where history and modernity collide in a mesmerizing dance. Join us as we traverse the vibrant alleyways and uncover the hidden treasures of this enchanting city. Buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring escapades. Let's dive in. Tonight, we have come to Khayam Flower Market, right on the eve of the delivery of the new solar year. Mashhad Flower Market is not only a place to buy flowers and gardening tools, but it is one of the liveliest and most colorful markets in the holy city of Mashhad and has become one of the tourist attractions of this city. Mashhad Flower Market in Bulwark, Khayam is one of the best markets and shopping centers in Mashhad. A place for flower and plant lovers, whose other name is Fathabad Market, and it has everything related to flowers and plants in its heart. This is the flower and plant market of Mashhad, and probably every flower you see in the city was bought by the flower sellers here. In this market, in addition to flowers and plants, you can find all kinds of decorations, all kinds of attractive and lovely vases and pots. I suggest that even if you don't intend to buy, take a walk among the colorful and fragrant flowers of this market so that you will have a deep peace.
بزن چایی رو
ای جونم
جان ساده
مسئله دست